Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Welcome back guys in our channel, Nursing Channel. In this moment, we will learn about lung sound, okay? But don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe guys. Okay, check this out for listening lung sound. Okay, check this out guys. Okay, guys, this is the long sound for if you doing physical assessment in auscultate the sound, the long sound. Okay, the first we will listen for vesicular breath sound. This is the vesicular breath sound. Listen carefully. Okay, ready? Okay, listen now.
Listen now to normal vesicular breath sounds. Note the relatively soft, low-pitched character of normal vesicular breath sounds.
Okay, this is a normal vesicular breath sound. Okay, please listen careful again. Okay,
Sometimes described as a sighing or gentle rustling. These sounds are heard over most of the peripheral parts of the lung. The inspiratory phase is markedly longer than the expiratory phase. Expiration is much quieter than inspiration, and there is no pause between inspiration and expiration. The term vesicular is a misnomer. It arose from experiments performed in the 19th century suggesting that these normal sounds originated in the alveoli, then called vesicles. In fact, modern engineering concepts make it more likely that the sounds emanate from the turbulent flow of air in the lobar and segmental bronchi, not the alveoli. Now listen again to normal vesicular breath sounds.
okay. Now listen again to vesicular breath sound. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, listen now. Okay, that's vesicular breath sound. Okay, next we will listen to bronchial breath sound. Okay, listen now.
Listen to bronchial breath sounds.
Okay, that is the bronchial breath sound. Okay.
These characteristically loud, high-pitched bronchial breath sounds resemble the sound of air blowing through a hollow pipe. Their expiratory phase is louder and longer than their inspiratory phase. They are present normally only over the manubrium, and there is a distinct pause between the inspiratory and expiratory phases. The appearance of bronchial breath sounds over the periphery of the lung may mean abnormal sound transmission because of consolidated lung tissue, as in pneumonia.
And now we will listen for bronchovesicular breath sound. Okay, listen now.
These are bronchovisicular breath sounds. Bronchovisicular breath sounds are a mixture of bronchial and vesicular sounds. Their inspiratory and expiratory phases are about equal in length. They are normally audible in two places. Number 1, anteriorly near the main stem bronchi in the first and second intercostal spaces, and number 2, posteriorly between the scapulae. They may be heard elsewhere in the presence of lung consolidation. Listen again to bronchovisicular breath sounds.
Okay, that's bronchovesicular breath sound. Okay, now we will listen to high pitch crackle. Okay, ready? Okay, listen for high pitch crackle. Listen now.
Crackles are short, explosive, non-musical sounds. They may be classified as high or low-pitched. High-pitched crackles are also called fine crackles. Low-pitched crackles are also called coarse crackles. Listen now to high-pitched crackles.
Okay, that's high pitch crackle. And now we will listen for low pitch crackles.
Now listen to low-pitched crackles. Crackles are due to the sudden opening of very small airways. Listen again to high-pitched crackles.
Yeah, that's the crackles.
Listen again to low-pitched crackles.
Okay, and then we will listen for wheezing. Okay, first we will listen for high pitch wheeze.
Listen now to the sound of wheezing.
Okay. This is the sound of wheezing. Okay, listen again.
A wheeze, sometimes called a rhoncus, is a musical pulmonary sound. The musical character is determined by the spectrum of frequencies that make up the sound. The lowest frequency, called the fundamental, sets the pitch of the wheeze. Wheezes may be described as high-pitched, in which case they are also called sibilant bronchi, or low-pitched, in which case they are also called sonorous bronchi. Listen to
it's called ronchi, okay?
a high-pitched wheeze.
And then we will listen for low pitch wheeze.
Now listen to a low-pitched wheeze.
Okay, that's low pitch wheezing sound. Okay, and then we will listen for sound of stridor. Okay, this is a long sound of stridor. Okay, listen it.
Stridor is a particularly loud musical sound of constant pitch. Listen to this example of stridor in a child with croup.
This is in child. Okay, stridor. Listen.
Although nothing except its intensity distinguishes stridor from a monophonic wheeze to the ear, stridor comes from obstruction of central airways such as the trachea or larynx. Wheezing is produced in more peripheral airways. Listen again to stridor.
Okay, and the last sound is pleural friction rub. Okay, listen it for pleural friction rub. Okay, listen now. Pleural friction rub.
Stridor is a particularly loud musical sound of... Listen to a pleural friction rub. The smooth, moist layers of the normal pleura move easily and silently over one another. But when the surface is thickened by fibrin deposits or coarsened by inflammatory neoplastic cells, the sliding motion is impeded by frictional resistance. The sound produced, the pleural friction rub, resembles the sound of leather sliding on leather. Listen again to a pleural friction rub.
Yeah, that's the pleural friction rub. Okay. Okay, guys, that is the long lung sound for normal and abnormal lung sound. Okay, from vesicular, bronchovesicular, bronchial, crackle, wheeze, stridor, and pleural friction rub. Okay. Don't forget for comment, like, and subscribe, and see you in next video. Okay, bye.